Our gunman was on safety.
Oh wow, that's great. See over there.
Oh crap, dude, over there, go.
Where?
Logan's right there.
Why were you following me, Tristan? Pay attention to the people who are still in the cave.
Bro, I'm trying to get every single player I can.
Wow.
And you're in my way because I'm trying to get a little zoom on him so I can see.
Stop fighting. Go filming.
There is such thing as editing, Nathan.
I know, I'm editing this.
And there's such things as funny things.
Like this is gonna be a messed up video.
So if you're trying to get shots on everybody, why do you're pretty much focused on Ian?
Where's Logan? I'll pick him up.
Logan's over there. Whoa! Yeah, he's over there.
Where'd he go, bro?
I don't care. Even if you whisper, they can still hear you. Oh, the camera!
Logan, say cheese!
Cheese!
Everybody gets a warning shot!
Where was my warning shot?
Yeah, I didn't shoot it too. You didn't need one.
Oh, that was Nathan who shot me then?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
That's why it didn't hurt.
You suck.
I did, I shot your gun.
Shot my gun once and then you shot me. Jared, they're coming after you. Unfair advantage.
Hey, no flipping off the camera, guys.
Wasn't flipping off camera, guy. Flipping off dumbass guy over there. Nathan, can you censor?
Tristan, how dare you?
Yeah, he can cut audio for a second.
Stupid fucking mosquitoes.
Hey, watch your mouth. 8-year-olds should be watching this.
Yeah, man.
Think about the children.
What children?
Good point.
This is R-rated.
I thought this is PG-13.
Oh, Jared.
Is there a scene that it's really blocked? I gotta follow Ian.
Just censor the entire video.
Yes.
That'll work.
You're beautiful.
That was a good shot, too. Right here.
He's out.
No surgery.
Nope.
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Take no mercy.
Oh, no.
That's game.